built me a leaner with bark and rope, caught fish with my hands and cooked them on oak. Learned to boil water when my gut went bad, and sleep close to fire when the nights turned mad. I started to notice when the squirrels got still that something was moving beyond the hill. Born to be bushy, I live off the land, cut my own wood and work with my hands. Ain't hiding from you, I just don't belong in a world too loud and moving too wrong. Sharpened the stone till it fit just right, hung up